Hello everyone and welcome to this short session which is much needed. The 5 mistakes to be avoided on the day of your exam, the D day. So before starting with the mistakes, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Chesta Agarwal, your NEET PG educator on India's best platform, that is Unacademy, and I have myself scored All India rank 261 in my entrance examination, that is NEET PG. Starting with the 5 mistakes which you should avoid on the day of your exam. Mistake number 1, not sleeping in the night before your exam. I've seen a lot of students who keep on reading throughout the night and they will not sleep even for 1 hour or 2 hours. Please do not make this mistake, because if you will not sleep in the night, your brain will not function properly. This occurs specifically when the timings of your exam is during the afternoon. At that time, post meal, you will sleep or you will feel very drowsy and your brain will not work 100%. So please do sleep a night before your exam. At least take a 6 to 7 or 8 hours sleep before the day of your exam. Second mistake which I've seen a lot of students make, that is missing the meals. If you have afternoon sessions, you will miss your breakfast and lunch. If you have morning session, definitely you will miss your breakfast. Please do not skip your meals, because your brain also required glucose for functioning. If you will not give a proper food to your brain, it will not work. When you want your brain to work maximum, please give some food to your brain. So avoid skipping the meals. Third mistake, reading outside the exam center. I've seen a lot of students carrying the books to the exam center. All the books, whatever they have, they will take 2 big bags with them and they will sit outside the examination hall and they will read. Please remember, first of all, you cannot read in that last 15 to 20 minutes. Nothing can be done. Second, if somebody asks you something which you are not aware of, it will create a lot of stress and anxiety that you will not able to write your paper clearly or properly. So please do not do this mistake, that reading outside your exam center. Whatever you have read, be confident that yeah, I've done sufficient. I don't need to read anything else. Whatever you have done, just be 100% sure that you are confident on. Next, not reading the question properly. That is something which everybody do. Nowadays we have lengthy questions, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line. So people will think that if I'll not read the question fast, I'll not able to solve the question properly. Please do not commit that mistake. Not all the questions are lengthy. There are few questions which are very lengthy, but few questions which are short, one-liners also. So please read the lengthy question properly, because sometimes you miss on few words like except, false and incorrect. So please read your question properly. Do not make this mistake of reading the question incorrect, and that will leading to your false answer. The next is not reading all the options. Suppose if you get a question where you think that the first option is correct, and instead of reading all the other option, you have simply marked the first option and you are gone to the second question. Please remember, you have to read all the options before marking the correct option. Even if you are sure that option number 1 is correct, please at least read once option number 2, number 3 and number 4, because sometimes they give you so similar options that if you miss reading all the options, you can mark that question wrong. So please avoid doing this mistake. Read all the options properly, otherwise it can take a lot of good questions from you. Repeat revision of the same subject. Now sometimes students do, last few days they will keep on reading one subject or 2 subjects which they are anyway confident on. Please do not do this mistake. Try to read in these last days only those subjects which are not done previously or in which you are having mistakes while doing the GT. Try to give special emphasis to the short subjects like dermatology, psychiatry, radiology, because from these short subjects you can expect direct question, repeat question, the questions from the same topic which was asked previously. So please try to revise everything. All the 19 subjects are important. So this is something which you should do at least 3 to 4 days before your exams. So thank you all of you. I hope you have enjoyed this short session all the best for your exam. And if somebody needs our help, we are here. Unacademy, just download the Unacademy learning app, choose your category NEET PG. We have a lot of questions, around 34,000 questions. We have two type of subscriptions, that is, one is Plus and another is Iconic. Plus give you an access to Unacademy live classes, while Iconic give you an access to Unacademy and Prep Ladder. These are the price list. So whatever suits you, please try to take Unacademy subscription, and these are the referral codes which will give you additional discount. So thank you all of you. I hope you have enjoyed and this short session was very helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best and let's crack it.